Hello fellow YouTubers and Affordaplane builders. This is Terry back with the Affordaplane in Houston, Texas. And I wanted to give you guys another sneak peek of this template that I've been making. In the last video I told you that I wanted to build some sort of a jig to build the fiberglass cowling away from the airplane. And I showed you guys the 3/4 inch plywood which is down there on the base right now. And I also told you I was going to cut these little circles, just like so. And I had a little bit of progress today, and like I say, it is a work in progress, but you can kind of see where this is going. We're going to make some more of these little ribs right here, or templates, I guess you could call them. And we'll probably use a combination of foam and maybe some Luan plywood to start covering areas here, just like some real thin 1/4 inch or something. And then the really tight spots, we're going to put some foam in there and we're going to shape them. But these templates are going to kind of give me my overall shape that I'm going for. And what we're looking at now, we're just kind of looking at the top of the cow right there. So as I build that up, I will be able to kind of contour around the propeller. There will not be a lot of fiberglass right there because you know there's a cylinder head that sticks out about 6 inches past that. But we're going to cover the whole thing with fiberglass, including the top, and we'll cut the holes out as needed when we're done. But just to kind of give you guys an idea of where I'm going with this, and I'll give you guys some more updates as this progresses. But there you go, that's the progress I've made on it so far. And to give you an idea, I just kind of started freehanding the design on a large piece of cardboard. And I cut the cardboard with the utility knife and placed them up there until I was kind of happy with the overall design and profile that I was getting. And once I went ahead and transferred it to the plywood. And it doesn't take a whole lot to just stick this plywood down. I was using my little 18 gauge brad nailer and some glue. And you can probably see some of those little brads right there. But as I put the sheeting on top of this, I'll be able to, like I said, run the contours where the wood is willing to go, and where the wood isn't willing to go, you know, perhaps around here, right in this area where there's going to be kind of a compound curve, you know, maybe that'll be foam. But the great thing is that we actually have some hard surfaces here in between to kind of gauge where we want to shave that foam to. Pretty much, I guess, just the same as sticking it on the front of the airplane. But this way, I don't have to mess with pulling the engine back off. I don't have to mess with getting all of the dust and everything near the airplane. It can all be done out here. So, Christmas Eve, Merry Christmas to everybody out there, all the Affordaplane builders, all the YouTubers. This is Terry Adair signing off. We will talk to you later. Have a happy new year. If I don't come out and put another video out before then.